DriveELD's quick tip number 19. Add a DVIR. On the vehicle inspection screen, you will see past driver vehicle inspection reports, or DVIRs. You can switch between My DVIRs, which shows vehicle inspections that you submitted or signed, and Vehicle DVIRs, which shows vehicle inspections of the vehicle you are connected to. To add a new DVIR, select the New button in the upper right. This will take you to the Set Up DVIR screen. Some of your information will be automatically added, but you can change most of it as needed. Your carrier cannot be changed. To select a vehicle for the inspection, tap the empty field. The Search for Vehicles screen will list all the vehicles under your carrier if you are online, or just the vehicles that you have connected to if you are offline. You can search for a specific vehicle by its power unit number or VIN in the search field at the top. Once you have found the correct vehicle, select it and then select the Confirm button in the upper right. At the bottom, enter that vehicle's current odometer. Once you are done setting up the DVIR, select the Continue button in the upper right. You now review the last 5 DVIRs for that vehicle. You must sign off on those DVIRs to confirm that any issue is resolved before you drive. When you are done, select the Continue button in the upper right to add defects. Unfixed defects previously reported for that vehicle will be listed automatically. To add a new vehicle defect, select the Add Vehicle Defect button. On the Add Vehicle Defect screen, first choose the part that is defective. You can search for parts in the search field at the top. Once you have selected the part that has a defect, you will be able to add a comment about it. When you are done, select the Add button in the upper right. Repeat adding defects as needed. After you have added all of the vehicle's defects, select the Back button in the upper left. On the Check Vehicle for Defects screen, you can also add a trailer if your trailer has any defects. When you are done, select the Continue button in the upper right. Here, you can add more comments and then sign the DVIR by selecting the Add a Signature button at the bottom. Sign the page and then select the Confirm button in the upper right. Once you have added a signature to the DVIR, you can submit it by selecting the Finish button in the upper right. A warning will appear if an issue you added could stop you from operating that vehicle until it is repaired. For the carrier section, your support staff can sign the DVIR through the fleet dashboard on the carrier website, or a mechanic can sign off in the app. For the driver section, the next driver, possibly you, needs to confirm that it was fixed by signing it as well. DriveELD, your solution to ELD compliance.